Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. It does like we are staying pretty consistent and bouncing off this 3 cent level for DogeCoin. Um, as of right now, chart seems kind of bearish a little bit. Do I think we're gonna go back down to all the way back down to like that 1 cent low, like to that 2 cent high 1 cent level? I don't think so. I think we're bouncing off levels right now, and probably there's gonna be another pop off, especially with people's money clearing up midweek to buy DogeCoin from last week, especially with the prices being this low too. So I think I think more people are going to be buying in after their money clears later this week around Wednesday or Thursday, because I think Robinhood added like an extra million users because they wanted to purchase DogeCoin. As of right now, charts is looking mostly bearish. I mean, we just crossed the 1 hour MACD on the bullish side, but the stochastic is already right around the middle. So we like I said, we always need to gauge what's going on, right? As of right now, currently, I personally am bullish. I do think we're headed back to 5 cents as of this moment right now. On the longer term charts, we are a little bit more on the I don't even want to say bearish side. The 4 hour chart does seem to be bearish. We just started that bearish run, but it's getting pretty weak. And we end up crossing towards the bullish side again today. That means that a lot of the bearish momentum is actually being killed, and it's being switched over to the bullish side. For the most part, like I said, we did cross that hour MACD. I am thinking we go at least back to like 4 cents today. I think that's what I'm thinking right now. I want to see how long this bullish momentum lasts, and where we can kind of go from here. If this bullish momentum on the MACD cross doesn't last all that much today, there's a chance that we might actually hit 2 cents. There's a chance that we might go back down. I'm just saying that right now. But for the most part, we are bouncing off this 3 cent level, which is actually really, really good. We're retesting it, and then we might possibly go back all the way up to 5 cents. I think that is a possibility, especially with Bitcoin. I think just hit 35K. So that gives it a little bit of an extra push on the crypto side and the momentum for the general crypto market, right? As of right now, I'm not exactly bearish, but I'm not exactly bullish. The only thing that I'm happy about is that we're bouncing off this 3 cent level right here that you guys can see right here. So we created candle, but we didn't create a new, we created a wick, right? But we didn't create a new candle under this price range. So I do think as of right now, we're basically gonna head back up. And then once we hit this level, we need to actually look at the momentum again. And if we actually break this and then go down, go back up, then I think that's possibly gonna be a really solid trend to head back and maybe break that previous high of like 8 cents, I think. Do I think that's gonna happen soon? I don't know. I mean, it might happen again later this week, to be honest, when everybody's money clears, because that's all we're waiting for. We're just waiting for that everybody's money to clear from last week that wanted to purchase DogeCoin. But as of right now, Doggy looks sort of strong because we are bouncing off this 3 cent level. Other than that, it's kind of either way, to be honest. I can't really say I'm bearish or bullish on DogeCoin right now. It can go either way. The only thing that I'm happy about is that it's bouncing off this 3 cent level, and that's kind of it, right? I mean, you guys know I usually do my TA. I try to be as accurate as I possibly can and not be biased towards any side. But here's kind of hoping that the hype kind of keeps going, that everybody's money clears later this week, and then we head towards the upside.